Good morning, everyone. I am Rino Flores Arad, and I am the representative of Group 1. And I am here to present to you our research entitled Self-Efficacy and Mathematical Problem-Solving Skills of College Students. And the researchers are Joji Acuesta, Dana Jo Gisulgon, Rizal Jersa, Kate Wante, and yours truly, Rino Flores Sarad. Statement of the problem. This study aimed to determine the self-efficacy and problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics students in mathematics. Specifically, this study sought to find out the following questions. First, what is the level of self-efficacy of BS-Ed mathematics students when taken as a whole and when grouped according to year level? Second, what is the level of mathematical problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics students when taken as a whole and when grouped according to year level? Third, is there a significant difference in the level of self-efficacy of BS-Ed mathematics students when grouped according to year level? Fourth, is there a significant difference in the level of mathematical problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics students when grouped according to year level? Last, is there a significant relationship between self-efficacy and mathematical problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics students? Hypothesis 1. There is no significant difference in the level of self-efficacy of BS-Ed mathematics students when grouped according to year level. 2. There is no significant difference in the level of mathematical problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics student when grouped according to year level. Third, there is no significant relationship between the self-efficacy and mathematical problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics students. For our conceptual framework, our independent variables, year level, dependent variable, self-efficacy of BS-Ed mathematics students, and problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics students. Significance of the study. This study was useful to the following people. Students. This study would make them aware of their level of self-efficacy and problem-solving skills. Likewise, it would make them realize the importance of study skills and their learning of their lessons to help them improve their study skills. Teachers. This study will help professors and instructors of fields of learning who apply problem-solving skills such as in chemistry, physics, statistics, mathematics, and others would benefit from this study because they will be informed of the strengths and weak points of the students in problem solving. Parents or guardian. This study will let them know the study skills and mathematical problem solving skills of their children. Through this study, they would be aware of their responsibilities that they need to guide their children and work hand in hand with the teachers on how to assimilate the study skills and mathematical problem solving skills in their daily routine. They could also provide support and proper encouragement to improve their college education. Future researcher. This study will guide future researchers to conduct more comprehensive and relevant studies toward the self-efficacy and mathematical problem-solving skills of the students. Scope and limitations of the study. This study determined the level of self-efficacy and mathematical problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics student at ECTU Miguel Campus academic year 2022-2023. The respondent of this study are respondent of BS-Ed mathematics from first year to third year students of Iloilo Science and Technology University Miguel Campus enrolled during the second semester of academic year 2022-2023. This study focuses on finding out the levels of self-efficacy and mathematical problem-solving skills of BS-Ed mathematics student at Iloilo Science and Technology University Miguel Campus. The information will be gathered through researchers-made questionnaires which are constructed for the purpose of this study. Methodology. Research design. This study used the descriptive correlational research design. The researcher observes, describes, and documents various aspects of a phenomenon. These designs are used to examine if changes in one or more variable are related to changes in another variables. Thus, descriptive correlational studies describe the variables and the relationship that occur naturally between and among them. Sosa VD 2007. And our respondents. In this study, the respondents were the 74 BSED mathematics students of Iloilo Science and Technology Migao Campus, academic year 2022-2023. A convenient sampling technique was employed in the final determination of the respondents. Data gathering instrument. The instrument that was used in the study was a researcher-made questionnaire. The items were composed of questions that determine the self-efficacy and mathematical problem-solving skills of BSED Mathematics of Iloilo Science and Technology University Migao Campus, enrolled in academic year 2022-2023. The research questionnaire underwent validity and reliability tests. The questionnaire was divided into two sections. Part 1 was composed of the profile of the respondents, which include their name and year level. Part 2, questionnaire on self-efficacy of the respondents, composed of 15 items using a 5-point Likert scale instrument, and questionnaire for the problem-solving skills with 6 items having 5 points given for each problem. And these are our scale for the self-efficacy questionnaire, and this is the scale for the scores in problem-solving skills of the respondents. Data processing techniques. Data were gathered and analyzed based on the statement of the problem and the hypotheses that are posited. The following statistical tools were used to facilitate the analysis and interpretation of the data. The mean and the standard deviation. This tool was used to describe the self-efficacy and problem-solving skills of the respondents. Kruskal-Wallis. This tool was used to determine whether there is any statistical difference between the self-efficacy and problem-solving skills of the respondents when grouped according to your level. Spearman-Rowe coefficient correlation. This tool was used to determine whether there is any statistical relationship between the self-efficacy and the problem-solving skills of the respondent. Results. Descriptive data analysis. The data for this study were gathered using a researcher-made questionnaire about the self-efficacy and level of problem-solving skills of mathematics students. Mean and standard deviation were used. Inferential data analysis. The data for this study were gathered using a researcher-made questionnaire about the significance difference and relationship of the self-efficacy and the problem-solving skills of mathematics students. All statistical computation were computer processed using the statistical package for social science software. The 0.05 level of significance was employed for testing of hypotheses. And this is our result for Table 1 to Table 5. And this is the summary of our research. Conclusion. The BSED mathematics students were not that very confident in terms of the self-efficacy, but they were very good in problem-solving skills. It showed that self-efficacy did not directly affect the problem-solving skills of BSED mathematics students. BSED math students were somewhat confident, but they were not mathematically capable to answer math problems. Furthermore, students' level of self-efficacy of BSED math students did not affect their ability on problem solving. It showed that even though the BSED were not so confident on their but they are very good in their problem solving skills. Recommendations. The following are the recommendations of the researcher based on the gathered data. First, students. Second, teachers. Third, parents. And lastly, future researchers. Once again, I am Rino Flores Sarad, the representative of Group 1. Thank you so much and God bless.